Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine traditionally. We begin by carefully harvesting grapes at their peak ripeness, typically when their sugar content, measured in Brix, is between 19 and 25. After picking, the grapes are destemmed to remove any bitter components. Then, they are gently crushed, often by foot treading, a traditional method that breaks the skins without pulverizing the seeds, which could release undesirable harsh tannins into the resulting must. Next, we move to fermentation, where yeast plays a crucial role, transforming the grape sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. For red wines, the must ferments with the grape skins, typically at warmer temperatures, ranging from 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. This skin contact is essential for extracting color and tannins. In contrast, white wines ferment without their skins at cooler temperatures, usually between 45 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit, preserving their delicate aromas and fresh character. Following fermentation, the wine enters its aging phase, maturing in vessels like oak barrels or stainless steel tanks. Oak barrels, a traditional choice, contribute desirable notes of vanilla, spice, and toast, adding complexity to the wine's profile. During this period, clarification is also vital. Methods such as fining, where agents like egg whites are used, or racking, which involves transferring the wine, help remove suspended particles and sediment, ensuring a clear and stable product. Finally, the wine is prepared for bottling. It is carefully transferred into clean, sterile bottles, ensuring minimal exposure to air. Traditionally, bottles are sealed with corks, which allow for a tiny amount of oxygen exchange, crucial for continued maturation. After bottling, the wines should stand upright for a few days before being stored on their sides in a cool, dark place. This proper storage is essential for the wine to age gracefully and develop its full potential over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.